The next type of data sheet that you'll encounter is the sensor requirements data sheet. So there will be for every sensor measurement that's available, a data sheet is also available. And again, you can click on the tag to bring up the data sheet page. Again, you'll see there's an extensive number of different variables that are available for any particular sensor. Let me bring this up as it's fairly well documented. Now, the information related to sensors is going to include basic data like tagging and service descriptions, trip types, ranges, manufacturers, models, HMI tags, and so on. Then the next section includes input details, which are going to include things like ranges, trip points, trip tolerances, power levels, fault failure modes, and the action that is to be taken when a diagnosed failure occurs. The next section includes deviation alarming information, including whether or not it's done, what comparison tags should be used, what difference generates a diagnostic alarm, and any actions that might be taken. That is all included in the deviation alarming section. Then there is an other alarm. So there's a section dedicated to deviation alarms, then there's a section dedicated to other alarms. Every input to an SIS can create a wide range of different alarms that you might want to include and be documented, including alarms associated with faults or bad PVs, pre-shutdown alarms, shutdown alarms, and then any alarm or tagging that might be associated with a first out system, which is going to try to capture the first sensor or the input that actually triggered a shutdown to occur. All of that is going to occur in the other alarming section. Next is the bypass section, and it provides information related to how a sensor can be bypassed, including whether or not a bypass is included, where that bypass exists, tag information, and that kind of information would be available for maintenance bypasses and also operational bypasses if both are available and if both are to be included and documented. And then finally, another section related to general notes associated with sensors.